Drifting in the sea, standing on the current proudly, strive constantly for self-improvement and make a difference in the world. In the beautiful the East China Sea, the famous valve capital of China, China Valve Production Base, Yuhuan Country, there located a professional manufacturer of valve, gas valves, HVAC, and fittings. She just like the running sun, the gorgeous dazzling rainbow. She's Zhejiang DOUBLE-LIN Valves COLCD. The company covers an area of 11,000 square. Building area is 16,000 square meters, with 120 million yuan fixed assets, more than 200 staffs, and 180 million annual turnover. Our products target in the medium and high price market. Some have marched in the high price market. We have introduced technical plant and detecting instrument from aboard for our key laboratory in order to execute domestic CJ T197 2010 and EN 14800 2007 standard, a series of anti-torsion, bending and twisting resistance, tension and stretching force, anti-corrosion, and destructive bump tests to corrugated metal hose and gas valves to make our products better looking and better using. Reversing endurance. Testing machine. Test requirement. Put one end of tube from the middle position, rotating at the angle of 90 degrees with 10,000 laps in 2 ways, which is not alone the fracture after passing the test. Then conduct the 5.3 air tightness test. Leak happened is not complete with the requirement. Heat endurance. Testing machine test requirements. In 2000 mm high position, free or throwing 5 kg objects to the tube. No damage happens after the test according to the required flow terms of EN 14800 2009 3.5. The qualified flow rate may at least reach 90%. Tension testing machine test requirements. Test with 1000 N tension for 5 minutes. No leak happens. After tension test and added length cannot be more than 10%. The fixed length of pipe cannot be more than 3%. Otherwise, it's failed. Valve function testing requirement. Check valve spring bounce testing requirement is mainly used for test the spring bounce of check valve and pressure reducing valve to avoid the unification of the bounce so that affect the flow rate, reduce pressure. The rubber hardness tester is used for testing the hardness of sealing ring. The pictures visualizer is used for the physical analysis of the structure and section. High and low temperature testing box is used for testing the high and low temperature of products. Test range from -30 degrees to 180 degrees. The product fatigue life testing machine is used for testing the service life of product. Executing test standard are EN 13828 2007 EN 331. Flow testing machine is used for the flow test of valves according to the standard GB T8464 2008 EN 331. Electrolytic analyzer, analytical balance, spectrophotometer, coating thickness gauge. Salt spray testing engineering is used for testing the corrosion of products. Tension measuring apparatus used for the hardware tensile test. Execution standard are easily S21144 EN331. Torque wrench used for testing the opening and closing torque and bonnet tighten. Torque of the product execution standard RGB T8464 2008 EN331. Our company's develop strategy is establishing a sales network which is scientific, normative, and win-win. We adhere to a way which is people-oriented and quality comes first. Attitude decides everything. Detail makes difference. The best product is not exist, only better. Rivers running into the sea. Surging power grows continually. Facing today, we create with efforts. Looking forward, we confidently, dream fully, and passionately. Standing on the solid roots, we will and will always forging the only enterprise with domestic brand for exporting in well field. We will always better ourselves as a leader in this industry.